Debugging may seem like an adventurous journey through a labyrinth of code. Just like a seasoned explorer, a good debugger equips you with tools to navigate the treacherous terrain. Debugging might be serious business, but a good debugger adds a touch of humor to your coding adventures. Here are the 7 qualities a good debugger must have. Step through debugging. This feature is crucial in the debugging process as it allows developers to carefully examine the code's execution line by line. By stepping through the code, developers can observe how the program behaves at each step, identify any unexpected behavior or errors, and pinpoint the exact location where issues occur. Variable inspection. A good debugger provides the ability to inspect variables during runtime. This means developers can examine the current values of variables at specific points in the code. By inspecting variables, developers can verify if the values are as expected, identify incorrect or unexpected values, and track down the origin of issues related to variable manipulation. Breakpoint setting. Setting breakpoints allows developers to pause the execution of the program at specific lines of code. By setting breakpoints, developers can halt the program's execution and analyze the state of variables, data structures, and program flow at that particular moment. Conditional breakpoints. In addition to regular breakpoints, conditional breakpoints allow developers to specify conditions under which the debugger should pause the execution. For example, a conditional breakpoint can be set to trigger only when a variable reaches a certain value or when a specific condition evaluates to true. This helps narrow down the focus during debugging and allows developers to examine critical sections of code when specific conditions are met. Traceback information. When an error occurs, a good debugger provides traceback information. This information includes a stack trace that shows the sequence of function calls leading to the error. By examining the traceback information, developers can trace back the execution flow, identify the functions involved, and understand the call hierarchy. This aids in pinpointing the source of the error and identifying the root cause more effectively. Remote debugging. A reliable debugger should offer the capability to connect to the remote environment and debug the code without the need for code relocation or replication of the entire environment locally. User-friendly interface enhances the developer's experience and productivity. A well-designed interface reduces the learning curve, streamlines the debugging process, and allows developers to focus on the task at hand without unnecessary distractions.